guys, and thank you so much for tuning into another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now in this video, guys, I am so excited to be sharing it with you because I'm going to show you a few different ways that you can style your curls. Now these curls came from my spoolies, but this style is going to work for any curl pattern you have. Alright, let's jump into it. Guys, before you start, you are going to need a few tools. I do have here with me today 2 combs. One is a rat tail comb, one is just a regular comb. I'll be using these 2 combs in a soft brush that I have right here. Guys, I also have my bobby pins. I will need this as well, and just a handful of ponytail holders, which I have right here. And we'll just be using these tools today to create our looks. So let's go ahead and jump into the first look. Okay guys, so there you have it. These are my hairstyles. Some are a little bit more quirky than others, but you have seen it all. I'm so happy you guys tuned in today. If you guys did like what you see, please like, subscribe, and share. I am always throwing hair videos at you guys. Are you catching them? These videos are so much fun to make. I'm so happy you guys are joining me on this journey. Please drop a comment below of what you would like to see next on my channel. I love doing hair videos, so give me some ideas guys so I can keep doing fun stuff like this. But that's all for today. I'll catch you guys in the next one. My name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.